Hello, in this project, I built a machine learning model to predict the net hourly electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant. The goal is to use environmental variables to estimate the power output and evaluate the performance of the different regression models. This is a supervised regression model problem, and since the target variable is a continuous numeric value, the dataset contains 9,500 sorry 569 observations of ambient temperature, exhaust pressure, and relative humidity. The target variable is the net electrical energy output of the power plant. On the modeling approach, I trained two different linear regression models. The first model used all the four input features: temperature, vacuum, pressure, and humidity. And the second model used the first two variables. The first two features. So the first model we used four, and the second only two. To train the model, I used 70% of the data set, so 6,698 lines. To validate the model, 15%, and to test the other 15%. On the first model, these are the results. The second model, these are the results. And when calculating the mean squared error, here I have the resume of everything, the summary. When calculating the mean squared error of the module 1, the value in the validation is 1936. Module the regression model 2 is 23.56, so we chose the model 1 as the most adjusted to this project. During the test of the formula of the module, we obtained a mean square error 1929 and the square root for 39. So the similarity between the validation test error indicates that the model generalizes well and does not suffer of overfitting. Additionally, the regression coefficients show how each environmental variable impacts the power output, making the model easy to interpret. So this project shows how a simple linear regression model can effectively predict power plant energy output using environmental data.